Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Through Stories. In part 1, we learnt about concrete nouns, abstract nouns, proper nouns and common nouns. Today in part 2, we'll explore collective nouns through easy examples and stories. Collective noun refers to group of peoples, animals or things. Even though it shows many, we treat it as one single unit, one word for many. For example, a team of players, a class of students, a crowd of people, a bunch of grapes, a herd of elephants, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, a library of books, a fleet of ships, a choir of singers, a band of musicians. Now let's explore collective nouns through a short story. Early in the morning, a flock of birds flew across the sky. Below them, a herd of cows grazed in the field. In the classroom, a group of children read from a library of books. Outside, a team of players practiced football. Suddenly, a swarm of bees buzzed by. So many collective nouns, each showing a group. So remember, a swarm of bees, a bunch of grapes, a pack of wolves, a flock of birds, a herd of elephants, a class of students, a team of players. These are all collective nouns. See you next time with Nouns Part 3, where you will learn singular and plural through another interesting story. Bye friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English Tales Hub channel. Bye.